This is Mr. Mulligan's Marvelous Mathematics, and we're doing Pearson 14-4, converting metric units of length. Big difference in this lesson from the last three lessons is now we're moved on from the customary measurements for the English system, and we're moving on to the metric system. Metric system is like meters, and the customary English system would be like miles. So here's your video. Remember, to get credit, you have to hit these buttons on the bottom right. After you watch the video, you got to answer some questions, hit this green button to get credit for each of these assignments. I'm going to skip right to reteach to understand because I'm going to look over the measurements that I need to know. 1 kilometer, or some people say kilometer, that's 1,000 meters. 1 meter, that's 100 centimeters. 1 meter is also 1,000 millimeters, and 1 centimeter is 10 millimeters. I am going to write something that we've done in class before, and it's going to be something about a king named Henry, and he just really likes chocolate milk. So let's see, king for kilo, and I'm going to put kilo. Henry. Not that common. We call that a hecto, but we actually don't use that. Notice hecto is not in our little cheat sheets for conversion. King Henry, he died. That's deca. Unusually, that stands for unit. That's where you would put like meter. D again, because he's drinking. That's our deci. And what's he drinking? Chocolate. We all like chocolate. That's for centi. Chocolate what? Chocolate milk. And that's milli. So when I go from left to right, I'm going from bigger to smaller, so I divide by 10. If I'm going from right to left, I'm going from smaller to bigger, so I multiply by 10. Now this is important because if I go from here, 1 kilometer, that's right here, to 1,000 meters, that would just be, if I'm going from smaller to bigger, I multiply by 10, so it'd be 10, 100, 1,000. 1 meter, that's right here, so 100 centimeters. I go from smaller to bigger, I multiply by 10. 10, 100. 1 meter, that's right here. 1,000 milliliters right here. Going from right to left, 10, 100, 1,000. 1 centimeter, that's right here. 10 millimeters, that's right here. Going from right to left, that's times 10. So that can help you understand all about the metric system. I'm going to leave that there, and I'm going to go to our guided practice. 1,000 centimeters equals how many meters? Well, I go to centimeters, and I'm going from, so I'm going to find meters. So our meters is right here, and centimeters right here. So this would be 10, 100. So the 100, that's one less zero. So 1,000 centimeters is 10 meters. You could also go like this. 1,000, 100, 10. 1,000 millimeters is how many centimeters? Well, I have 1,000. I want to move 1 over, so that's just 10. So that's 100 centimeters. 58 meters is how many millimeters? Well, I'm going from here all the way to here. So it's 58, 580, 5,800, 58,000. Three kilometers is how many meters? That's from here to here. So 3, 30, 300, 3,000. In 5 and 6, compare the lengths, right? Greater than, less than, or equal to, well, 9,000 meters and 20 kilometers. So 9,000 meters is 900 decameters, 90 hectometers, and 9 kilometers. Well, 20 kilometers is bigger than 9 kilometers. 400 centimeters to meters. So I'm going from here to here. 444. Oh, so that's equal to 400 centimeters is equal to 4 meters. Explain. To find the number of meters in 1 kilometer, why do we multiply 1 times 1,000? Well, I'm going to say this to you because 1,000 meters equals 1 kilometer. And we can use that here as this is 1, 10, 100, 1,000. So you always multiply by your measurement. Convert 12.5 or 12 and 5 tenths centimeters to millimeters. Well, I'm going from here to here. That's if I'm going from here, that would be 1, 2, 5, 125. I simply move the decimal one spot to the right to go from centimeters to millimeters. I hope that helps you a little bit more with the metric system. And this is Mr. Mulliken signing off. Have a great day and talk to you later.